Hey everybody, Walt here, Dirt Foot Racing. Gonna do a tire change on this, on the Baja, on the Purple Haze, or I should say the Dusty Purple Haze right now. These are the tires that came with it when I bought the frame, and they're pretty wore out on the sidewalls. And we're gonna be doing a little event here, beginning of June, and it's gonna need all the traction I can get, I think. But I got a new set of tires we can put on her, and I think it's gonna be much more aggressive and much more but better in the traction department. So I'm gonna start doing that right now. All right, here's what we're replacing the old tires with. Old SunFs. Those are actually SunFs. We're putting these new SunFs on, which are the SunF. Let's see here. Where is it here? Oh hell. They got the writing right over the top of the... You can't read it, man. It's hard to read. Power II. Yeah, the SunF Power IIs, which these treads are super aggressive. I like it. And they're getting really good reviews from people using them. A lot of good little traction when you're turning, you know. Definitely not a lot of traction in general compared to that. So these here, I couldn't keep the wheels from spinning with the current engine configuration in the Juggernaut clutch. So I think this is going to fix that problem. So just getting started. Keep watching. So you might be asking, how do you get the tire off the rim? Well, you take the air out of it first, then you get it off the bead and make sure that on this side it's down on the edge is down on the inside, and then you just start prying the crap out of it. Luckily with this flange, it keeps the screwdrivers in there. While we'll hit it with some more over here, and she should be right off. So let's see what happens. Okay, we got the tire mounted, and I'm telling you one thing, this is like a serious swing moment. Swing! Look at that thing, man. Look how aggressive that tire is. That is cool. That thing's going to do some serious gription with that engine. Because before, every time I hit the throttle hard, the back wheel wanted to spin. So now I'll probably hit the throttle hard and it'll want to flip me over. So, but yeah, SunF mounted. You just got to get the sprocket back on. Putting that bigger sprocket on this time. Get some more torque. And when we start working on the front end. See ya. Back in a minute. Hey, I'm back. Show you what happened with the tire. Got the tire mounted. Got it on the Purple Haze. Also went up to a larger diameter sprocket. I believe it's a 62, if I'm not mistaken, from the stock sized Baja one. We're also going to be running a Juggernaut clutch, which so far, and a yellow driven spring, which that combination of the two is pretty impressive, if I'm not mistaken. But you know, I haven't had a chance to take much off-road with it yet, but we're going to do that here pretty soon. But anyways, got to get that recoil starter back on. Got to get the front tire, matching front tire on, and hopefully pretty soon here we'll have it all set up and taken out for another test ride. Well, I did it. Got it on by myself. Wasn't too bad the front one. Front was easier than the back one. But yeah, got a fresh set of SunFs on the Purple Haze, and I just got to get my recoil starter back on tomorrow, and we'll take her out for a test drive. See if these tires are as good as everybody say they are, because I definitely need some more traction. I think I'm going to get it with these, especially when I put that bigger sprocket on the back. This thing's going to pull like pulling tree stumps. But yeah, cool. We will port back, but as far as for the tire installation goes, new SunFs, they are on. Purple Haze is getting ready to take on, do a little racing. If you like this kind of stuff, let me know. Take it easy, guys. See ya.